Semiconductor Packaging. John D. Thomas, Alex Ruth. Book 6, Section 1, Chapter 2, Topic 5. Achieving and maintaining high levels of quality and reliability in semiconductor packaging is a paramount objective for semiconductor manufacturers. However, this endeavor is not without its challenges. From the increasing complexity of designs to the critical aspect of material selection, and from manufacturing variability to testing limitations, semiconductor manufacturers face numerous hurdles in their pursuit of excellence. Let's delve deeper into these challenges and understand their implications in the semiconductor packaging industry. 1. Complexity of designs. As semiconductor devices continue to evolve, they become smaller, denser, and more complex. This evolution presents significant challenges in ensuring quality and reliability in semiconductor packaging. The intricate designs and assembly processes involved in modern semiconductor packaging demand meticulous attention to detail and precision engineering. Any deviation or flaw in the design or assembly process can have profound implications for the reliability and performance of the packaged semiconductor device. Thus, semiconductor manufacturers must navigate the complexities of design intricacies to deliver products that meet stringent quality and reliability standards. 2. Material selection. The selection of appropriate materials is a critical aspect of semiconductor packaging that directly impacts performance and reliability. Semiconductor packages must withstand a wide range of operating conditions, including thermal stress, mechanical strain, and environmental factors. Therefore, choosing materials with suitable properties for thermal conductivity, electrical insulation, mechanical strength, and resistance to corrosion is essential. However, the task of selecting materials that meet these stringent requirements is challenging. Semiconductor manufacturers must carefully evaluate various material options and consider factors such as cost, availability, compatibility, and long-term reliability to ensure optimal performance and durability of semiconductor packages. 3. Manufacturing variability. Variations in manufacturing processes, equipment, and environmental conditions can introduce variability in semiconductor packaging, leading to inconsistencies in quality and reliability. Even minor deviations in manufacturing parameters or environmental factors can have significant impacts on the performance and reliability of semiconductor packages. Addressing manufacturing variability requires stringent process control measures, rigorous quality assurance protocols, and continuous monitoring and optimization of manufacturing processes. By minimizing manufacturing variability, semiconductor manufacturers can enhance the consistency and reliability of their products, ensuring customer satisfaction and brand integrity. 4. Testing limitations. Reliability testing is essential for evaluating the performance and durability of semiconductor packages under various operating conditions. However, reliability testing methodologies may have limitations in accurately simulating real-world operating conditions and predicting long-term performance. Additionally, the sheer complexity and diversity of semiconductor packages pose challenges in developing comprehensive and effective reliability testing protocols. Semiconductor manufacturers must invest in advanced testing equipment, methodologies, and predictive modeling techniques to overcome these limitations and ensure robust reliability testing. By conducting thorough and rigorous reliability testing, semiconductor manufacturers can gain insights into the performance and reliability of their products, identify potential failure mechanisms, and implement corrective measures to enhance quality and reliability. In conclusion, achieving and maintaining high levels of quality and reliability in semiconductor packaging is a complex and multifaceted endeavor fraught with challenges. From navigating the intricacies of design complexity to selecting suitable materials, managing manufacturing variability, and overcoming testing limitations, semiconductor manufacturers must address a myriad of hurdles to ensure the quality and reliability of their products. By investing in research, innovation, and continuous improvement initiatives, semiconductor manufacturers can overcome these challenges and deliver semiconductor packages that meet the stringent quality and reliability requirements of modern electronic applications. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.